Hi, my Hoover Optima washing machine won't start. The padlock symbol on the screen is flashing whereas it should be constant. The door catch seems fine. Any ideas, please?
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years and currently work for a well-known manufacturer. Can you post the model number, please? Also, is the door actually locking so you cannot open it? Regards.
Hi Daniel, I believe it's a Optima off 714D. By looking at the Hoover website, as we seem to have a missing model label. The door is fine, opens and closes fine. We had bought it as a graded machine due to some minor scratches on eBay, and it's been working fine for the few weeks we have had it. Thanks, Anna.
Hi, okay, if the washer isn't starting or locking, then try and give the door a slam and see if this shocks the door lock into working. If not, then it's two things which can cause this fault here. Either the door lock itself or the control board. To check, you need to remove the outer door seal clamp from around the door and unlip the door seal. Then remove the door lock screws and pull the door lock out through the door and disconnect the wiring. Then you need to test the door lock with a multimeter. It will have 3 tags. You should get a reading between 2 of the tags on the door lock. If you don't, then the door lock is faulty and will need to be replaced. But if the door lock is fine, then I'm afraid it's pointing to the control board. I'm afraid, as this is the part which powers the door lock up to lock the door. So check the above if you can, as the fault will be either the lock of the control board here. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.